Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we dive deep into the world of automotive updates. Tesla, as the largest EV maker globally, mirrors the EV market's fluctuations, drawing intense scrutiny and analysis. Currently, signs point to a downturn, with Tesla's recent challenges indicating broader industry struggles. Here, we dissect 8 clear indicators of these shifts. Indicator number 8, Tesla's battery challenges and Gigafactory setbacks. Tesla's ambitious growth plans face formidable hurdles with battery supply constraints and delays in Gigafactory constructions. These critical factors, compounded by global supply chain disruptions and regulatory complexities, hamper Tesla's production scalability. In 2024, Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Texas encountered delays due to regulatory approvals and environmental considerations, impacting Tesla's expansion strategies. Dependence on suppliers like Panasonic, LG Energy Solution, and CATL exposes vulnerabilities in Tesla's supply chain. Despite efforts to diversify and enhance in-house production through acquisitions like Maxwell Technologies, global shortages of raw materials persist, affecting operations and delivery timelines. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for Tesla to maintain its market leadership amid intensifying competition and technological advancements in the EV sector. Indicator number 7, shift towards hybrids. Tesla's recent sales decline mirrors a broader slowdown in the EV market, suggesting a reluctance among consumers to fully embrace electric vehicles. Instead, there's a notable shift towards hybrids, evidenced by a substantial 70% growth in North America in the last quarter alone. As of April 2024, hybrids now constitute 11.9% of the U.S. retail market share, surpassing EVs at 8.7%. Toyota, a leader in hybrid technology, reported a fiscal year 2023 profit of $28 billion, slightly lower than previous projections, reflecting market adjustments. The preference for hybrids is clear. They are more affordable, reliable, and convenient compared to pure electric vehicles, addressing concerns such as range anxiety. This trend underscores why many consumers opt for a hybrid over an all-electric model, signaling a nuanced approach to electrification in the automotive market. Indicator number 6, downsizing and workforce reductions. Tesla, like many in the evolving EV sector, restructured significantly in 2023 amid economic shifts. To boost efficiency and cut costs, Tesla has cut more than 14% of its workforce in 2024, reducing its global headcount to just over 121,000 employees. This figure, based on an internal email list, surpasses the 10% reduction announced by CEO Elon Musk in April. These moves are part of Tesla's strategy to streamline amid market competition. The broader EV industry faces similar challenges. Rivian cut 10% in February 2024. Legacy automakers like Ford and GM also trim EV workforces. Fisker's financial woes underline startup fragility. These cuts signal a trend to manage costs amidst market volatility, enhancing production efficiency and profitability in a competitive landscape. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Indicator number 5, recall of the Cybertruck, quality control challenges. Tesla's long-awaited Cybertruck launch was marred by a recall of 4,000 units due to quality issues, particularly with the accelerator pedal. This setback underscores the complexities of maintaining high standards during rapid production scaling. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, attributed the issue to a lubricant change affecting pedal retention, highlighting challenges in EV manufacturing quality control. While Tesla remains a leader in EV reliability, the Cybertruck incident underscores broader concerns within the industry, as highlighted by Consumer Reports' findings on EV reliability compared to traditional vehicles. GM's struggles with the Chevy Blazer EV further illustrate industry-wide challenges in software and quality assurance. In conclusion, the Cybertruck recall underscores the imperative for rigorous quality standards in EV manufacturing. Addressing reliability issues is crucial to bolster consumer trust and drive sustainable market growth. Indicator number 4, sales and profit decline. Tesla, long hailed as a trailblazer in the EV sector, faced a significant downturn in the first quarter of 2024. Despite robust sales figures, Tesla reported that first quarter revenue was $21.3 billion, down 9% from last year, as worldwide sales dropped nearly 9% due to increased competition and slowing demand for electric vehicles. In April 2024, Tesla lopped $2,000 off the price of the Models Y, S, and X in the US, and reportedly made cuts in other countries, including China, as global electric vehicle sales growth slowed. It also slashed the cost of full self-driving by 1/3 to $8,000. While Tesla adapts to market pressures, including rival Rivian's recovery and broader industry challenges, sustaining profitability remains a critical focus amid fluctuating market sentiments. Indicator number 3, China market dynamics. Based on recent data, the EV market in China is fiercely contested by BYD and Tesla. In Q1 2024, BYD sold 300,114 fully electric vehicles, a 13.4% increase from the previous year. Meanwhile, Tesla delivered 386,810 EVs globally in the same quarter, surpassing BYD's figures. BYD's performance is notable, bolstered by models like Dynasty and Denza, and expanding overseas sales by 156% to 97,899 new energy vehicles. This aligns with BYD's strategy to compete with Tesla and capture market share from traditional vehicles. Despite challenges like reduced output at Giga Shanghai, Tesla sold 60,365 units in China in February 2024, an 18.8% drop. Yet, Tesla's global deliveries reaffirm its leadership in the EV sector, regained from BYD. Both firms navigate a complex market. Tesla adjusts prices and cuts costs, while BYD emphasizes innovation and affordability with models like the Seagull. This rivalry promises ongoing innovation and market influence. Indicator number 2, future of Model 2 and Robotaxi. In recent discussions, rumors swirled about Tesla possibly canceling the Model 2, yet the company hasn't confirmed this. Tesla remains focused on diversifying its lineup and evaluating market segments. The Model 2, positioned as an affordable EV with a projected price of $25,000 to $30,000, is still being considered to broaden Tesla's customer base. Meanwhile, Tesla's Robotaxi project, aiming for fully autonomous taxis, faces uncertain timelines due to regulatory and technological challenges. These hurdles require rigorous testing and approvals, keeping the release date tentative. The broader EV industry confronts challenges with EPA proposals under legal scrutiny, impacting the pace of electrification. This uncertainty, coupled with high costs and regulatory concerns, dampens EV adoption, including potential models like the Model 2. In summary, while Tesla explores the Model 2 and autonomous driving, regulatory complexities and market hesitancy pose significant hurdles for the broader EV sector's anticipated growth. Indicator number 1, regulatory challenges and market volatility. Tesla's 2024 journey unfolds amidst intensified regulatory scrutiny and market fluctuations. Concerns over Tesla's full self-driving technology prompt stringent oversight, delaying key initiatives and testing market confidence. Despite revenue growth, Tesla's Q1 2024 net income decline reflects competitive pressures and regulatory impacts. Navigating global regulatory frameworks and market dynamics shapes Tesla's path forward. Strategic investments in compliance, sustainable practices, and customer-centric innovation are pivotal, ensuring resilience and growth in the dynamic EV landscape. Thank you for joining us on Piston Pundit. Subscribe for future updates and delve deeper into the evolving world of automotive innovation and insights. See you next time.